Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and also kind of like a first impressions on a brand new product that is out of the market. It's been going around YouTube like crazy and I'm like, what is that? I need to try it out. Today we are going to be talking about the new Juno & Co. microfiber velvet sponge. I feel like that is just so hard to say. It comes in a really cute packaging like this and like a cute little bag, which is rare. We never see something like this. Yeah, so this sponge is velvet-like and I am excited to share my thoughts with you guys on this. Is it worth it? Is it worth the price? Is it better than the Beauty Blender? Does it suck? And is everyone just lying to us? I want to know. I have a giveaway of 2 of these sponges at the end of this video, so if you're interested, then stay tuned to the end of the video. Before we get started into the review slash demo, I want to invite you guys to subscribe if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. So go follow me there. And also the giveaway is happening over there. So the rules are at the end of this video, but it is happening on Instagram. And with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started into this review slash demo of the microfiber sponge. So before we get started into the demo portion of the video, I'm just going to read about this sponge here. So this is supposed to be the microfiber velvet sponge. I've never tried any other texture of sponge but the Beauty Blender or like the Real Technique sponge, which both of them are very popular. This is the texture that I normally use, if that makes sense. I don't know, so when I saw this and I saw everyone reviewing it, I was like, oh my gosh, like what is that? So this is what the sponge looks like already wet. As you guys can see, it kind of, I don't know if you guys are able to tell on camera, but it's kind of like a velvety kind of finish. It's definitely something very different that I've never seen before. So it says, if you're looking for a more natural airbrushed foundation finish, the Juno Co. Fiber Velvet Sponge is your go-to. It says it's made with velvet soft microfiber bristles. It doesn't really say much, but it does say it's supposed to give you a natural kind of finish, which I do not like. I am more of a full coverage girl, but we'll see. We'll see what this gives me. It does come with a slanted side, which is perfect for like underneath your eyes to carve out your cheekbones, and then it does come with a butt. So let's just jump into it because we want to know the tea. Before I get started into the foundation application, I'm just going to take some of this Catrice Prime and Fine anti-shine spray. Shake it a little bit. I have been trying this. I really want to know if I like it or not, so I'm still kind of trying it out. You guys, the squirt on this is bad. To test out the sponge, I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite face products that I normally know what they're going to give me, just so we can see if the sponge makes a difference or not. For foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I am in the shade 2W2, which I'm pretty sure you guys know I am obsessed with this foundation. Whoa. The only thing that sucks is that it does not have a pump, so I tend to waste a lot of product. But I just scoop it back in there. For this, I'm going to apply it with the butt of the sponge. Let's see what this gives me. I'm kind of scared. It feels like I'm applying foundation with a dry sponge, which kind of feels weird. It is not as soft as the Beauty Blender, but it's not hard at all. It just has a little bit more stiffness to it. So one thing I will say about this sponge is that it's not giving me a natural kind of finish. Because it is stiffer, I feel like it's giving me full coverage, which is very rare because my Beauty Blender soaks up a lot of the product. So I feel like with this sponge, you need very little product. Very honest with you guys, it was kind of weird to apply foundation with this, not gonna lie, because it does feel dry. Up next, I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with a Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Beige. Let's apply concealer and let's see how well it blends out the concealer. Yeah, so it's definitely a full coverage sponge, and the reason why I think it's so full coverage, or at least it's giving me full coverage, is because it's not soaking a lot of the product. I don't know if it has to do with the material, probably, but it's not soaking a lot of the product, which is what it's giving me more coverage. Okay, so moving on to contour, I'm gonna go ahead and take the F12 foundation stick by Makeup Revolution. You guys know that I love this, and we're gonna go ahead and blend this out also with the sponge, just so we can see how it blends it out. I suck at nose contouring, by the way. Anyone else with me on that one? That looks pretty nice, actually. It looks pretty nice and like seamless, if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that it is a little bit harder to blend out my contour. I feel like it's giving me a little bit more fuller coverage just because it's not really soaking up the product. I'm just going to take some of my Coty Airspun loose powder and set my face. Okay, so this is what my face looks like. This is what the base looks like. I feel like it looks pretty full coverage. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup and then come back and kind of give you guys my final thoughts once everything is set on my face. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup and I'm like dying of thirst. Back to the sponge. Do I think it's worth it? I feel like for $6, if you're looking for something different to experiment with makeup, if you're looking for a sponge that's going to give you full coverage, I feel like you would really like this. Now, keep in mind that this is not going to give you no natural finish. I do not know where that came from, but this did not give me natural finish. I feel like the Beauty Blender soaks up product and it gives you a much more like natural finish, if you want to say. But the June & Co. Fiber Sponge, I feel like it gives you fuller coverage. On to the fun part, I'm going to be giving away 2 of these to 2 of you guys, and I promise you guys that this time I will send them right away. I know the last giveaway that I had with the Jaclyn Hill palettes, it took me quite a while. So for this giveaway, you guys, all you have to do is tag 3 of your friends on this photo here. Head over to my Instagram, and also don't forget to like this video if you like these kind of videos where I test out products that, I don't know, companies come out with. Let me know. Hit to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there, so go follow me there. That being said, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.